Welcome to Banyan Data Systems online tutorials. In this video, we will go over the Mark as Done Editing step and then print the utility bills. Once you have reviewed your register and made any pre-printing edits, you will be ready to print the bills. Before the system will allow you to print, you will need to confirm that you are done editing. There are two places in which this process can be done. The first is in the ribbon at the top of your screen. Click on Done Editing and then select your group or groups and hit Post. For example purposes, I am only going to mark one of the groups so that I can show you the second way later on in the video. The next step is to print the bills. To do so, click on the Reports menu at the top of the account screen and select Bill Forms. The screen will open up and display the Dates tab. Here you'll want to enter your dates of service, the due date, and the penalty apply after date. These will display on the bill. It is always recommended to check the Bill Message tab to ensure the information in there is still applicable. The normal bill message will display on customers' bills who are in good standing and not late. A standard message is usually what you will enter here. In this case, we've just listed our phone number. If you have our Direct Pay or ACH module, the Direct Pay message is what will display on those customers' bills. The Credit Balance message will only apply to accounts that have a credit rather than a balance owed. The Bill Message box is only for those of you that use full bills. Here you can enter a longer, more detailed message. All of your customers will see this displayed on their bill. The next line is the minimum past due amount to display the late bill message rather than the normal message. It defaults to a penny, but you can change this to a higher amount if you'd like. Customers that have a past due balance will see the late bill message instead of the normal bill message. And last, the final bill message is what will display on a customer's final bill. On the Sorting tab, you have the option to print in account number, billing name, or zip code order. And lastly, you will want to check the Printer tab. Make sure that Screen is highlighted. Do not select your printer here. We always want the bills to display to the screen first and printed from there. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned that there are two ways to mark as done editing. The first is to do it from the account ribbon prior to opening the bill forms. The second is to mark them when you are printing the bills. Once you've checked your messages and changed your dates of service, you are ready to print. Click on the group or groups in the upper left corner. Any groups that have not been marked as done editing will display a message, letting you know that you cannot move forward until you've finished editing. Go ahead and click Yes here, and then click Generate Report. The bills will display to your screen. Next, click on the printer icon in the upper left corner. You have now printed your utility bills. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching.